Thank you, Jeff, and good afternoon. Let's begin with an overview of the data. Our 7-day average of cases is about 129,000 cases per day. Our 7-day average of hospital admissions is about 11,500 cases per day. And our 7-day average of daily deaths has increased to 896 per day. As we prepare for more of our children to return to school after Labor Day, CDC has strong and detailed guidelines that should be implemented to promote our children's safety in the classroom. Let me reiterate what they are. Most importantly, CDC recommends that everyone eligible for vaccination be vaccinated before school starts. If you or your vaccine-eligible child is not yet vaccinated, it is never too late to begin your vaccine series. Next, universal masking is critically important in schools for students, teachers, staff, and visitors, regardless of vaccination status. CDC also recommends school employ additional key strategies in school to keep kids safe, including improved ventilation, physical distancing, and establishing screening programs for students and teachers. Federal resources have been made available to help schools implement these recommendations. Parents should educate themselves on the CDC's recommendations for K-12 school operations. Parents can ask questions of their school administrators and learn how these steps will be implemented in their district. Parents should encourage their children to wear masks when in public indoor settings. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, parents can protect their children by getting vaccinated themselves. This will create a protective bubble around their children who are not yet eligible for their own vaccine. As we approach the Labor Day holiday weekend, I want to share ways that Americans can keep their families and themselves safe over the long holiday weekend. First, if gathering with family and friends, remember that spending time outside with others who are vaccinated will help to prevent transmission. Throughout the pandemic, we have seen that the vast majority of transmission takes place among unvaccinated people in closed indoor settings. Second, when in public indoor settings, please wear a mask, vaccinated or unvaccinated. As I've said before, masks are not forever, but they are for now. Given the high transmissibility of the Delta variant and the significant community transmission in this country, wearing a mask is the easiest way for anyone, regardless of your vaccination status, to slow the spread of disease. Third, talk with family and friends who are still unvaccinated about the benefits of the vaccine and consider taking them to get vaccinated over the long holiday weekend. Just yesterday, CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices reviewed the recent FDA decision to approve the Pfizer COVID vaccine, and we have updated our recommendations. I'm delighted to say that we now have a fully FDA-approved, CDC-recommended vaccine available. For anyone who's been waiting to get vaccinated until we had more evidence on safety and effectiveness, I hope yesterday's announcement will have you join the more than 170 million people who have decided to protect themselves against COVID-19 by getting vaccinated yourself.